This is my plant ID presentation on the Ranunculaceae family. The Ranunculaceae family contains 2,252 species and 62 genera. Some examples of this family are the larkspur, the glowflower, and the gold thread. Cultural value. This is a golden seal. It is a herb used for medication. The root is dried, used in the process. The most common use is for a common cold, respiratory infections, skin conditions, and rashes. Another plant which can be used for medication is the banesberry. This berry is very bitter and if consumed can cause vomiting and diarrhea. The Native Americans used to use this berry as a medical treatment. The root was used to treat stomach pain and is also used to induce vomiting and diarrhea. A dangerous plant within the family is wolfsbane. This plant can be very dangerous to humans. A myth of this plant is that it scares away creatures of the night, but actually this plant contains toxins which can be absorbed through the skin. And if this plant is touched, it can cause severe breathing problems and cardiac issues. Some features of this family are alternating leaf patterns, divided or simple leaves, 2 to 5 flowering sepals. The petals usually contain 5 or less, and the flowers are usually solitary. Here are the buttercup features. They consist of the anther, petals, filaments, sepal, and the stem. Thank you for watching my presentation.